クリスマス終わったね。クリぼっちなんて言葉が使われるようになってるけど、うまいこと言うよね。
Overseas, Christmas started as a religious tradition, and people usually spend the 25th with their family. But in Japan, Christmas is more about the 24th, spending time romantically or enjoying it as a fun event. Kuribochi is a combination of Christmas and being alone. It describes a lonely Christmas spent by yourself.
クリスマスだけにフォーカスするとざわつくこともあるかもだけど、この時期ならではのワクワクがあるよね。
What makes you feel excited at this time of year?
私が個人的に一番感じるのが金曜ロードショーなの。だんだん年末感出してくるよね。なんか面白いアニメとか映画をいっぱいやってくれるの。
Really? You feel the end of year mood from Friday Roadshow? Friday Roadshow is a TV program on Nippon TV. Broadcast every Friday at 9 p.m., right?
そう、見て、今年の秋からのラインナップ。ちょっと一覧出すね。
So this is this year's Friday Roadshow lineup. Did you watch all of them?
CM でね、トイストーリーやるんだってちらっと気づいてたのに見逃しちゃった。
Ah, commercials. But you can watch anime and movies online anytime, right?
そうなんだけど、テレビの大きい画面で、その日その時に見るのがいいんだよね。どのタイミングでお風呂に入るとか。
So you like watching it live on a big TV screen? Yeah, I get that. You take long baths, so you have to finish first, or you'll miss it.
そう、ちゃんとプログラム把握してないと済むの。でもさ、まだ見てなかった化け物の子は見れたんだ。面白かった。
I'm glad you enjoyed The Boy and the Beast. Which one do you want to watch next?
これも見れなかったんだけど、見て。12月19日、安定のホームアローン。毎年クリスマス直前にやってるんだよね。毎年だよ。クリスマスって感じが一気に上がるんだよね。もう知ってるけど、見始めると離れられない。きっと私みたいな人がたくさんいるんだよ。
Yeah, in Japan, Home Alone is broadcast every year to match the Christmas season. Even if you're spending Christmas alone, watching Home Alone can still be a lot of fun. Laughs.
でね、クリスマスが終わったら速攻でお正月を迎える準備が始まるのね。クリスマスリースの次は締め飾りの準備しなきゃ。
Yeah, Christmas decorations disappear so fast in Japan. This is what a traditional Japanese year-end looks like. Big end-of-year cleaning, New Year's cards, fewer people send them now, shopping and preparations. Finishing work for the year, going back to your hometown, or preparing for it. All of this is done so that the first 3 days of the new year can be a special time of doing nothing. That's why December is even called Shiwasu, which means the month when people run around. In Japan, we say welcoming the new year, not just the new year begins. The new year is treated as something sacred. At temples, on New Year's Eve, there is a tradition called Joyanokane. The temple bell is rung 108 times to remove human desires and worries, and to welcome the new year with a clean heart.
12月下旬になると、今年この人と会うのは最後かなって思うと、さよならとかバイバイじゃなく、良いお年をって挨拶するんだよ。ああ、もう年末かーって感じにさせられる。それにあれ先に言えたときちょっと大人感味わえるんだよね。
That's a greeting used only at the end of the year. In Japan, the last working day of the year is called Shigoto Osame, a time to pause and close the year. Saying Yui Otoshio means, I hope you have a good year next year. It's a very thoughtful greeting, so I get why it feels a bit grown up. There's also a special greeting for the new year itself, right?
年始は明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。ってちょっと長いけど、目上の人にはちゃんと言うよね。仲間内だと明けましておめでとうとか、明けおめことよろってここでも省略されちゃってるけど。
Right. For formal situations, people say the full greeting. But with friends, they shorten it a lot. Even overseas, people say Happy New Year. But no one says something like Hap New. Laughs.
学生の頃カッコつけて年賀状にはハッピーニューイヤーって書いてたわ。もう今では LINE スタンプになっちゃったけど。子供の頃本当お正月は特別だった。三が日お休みだし、お年玉もらえるし、お餅食べて、子供はご機嫌だよ。そうだ、お餅といえばね、日本では毎年お餅を喉に詰まらせちゃう人がいるから、食べるときは小さく切ってよく噛んでって子供の頃からめっちゃ言われるんだよ。
Exactly. In Japan, eating mochi at New Year is a tradition. But accidents do happen every year, especially among elderly people. That's why, toward the end of the year, Japanese TV news always reminds people, cut mochi into small pieces and eat slowly. If you eat mochi outside Japan too, please be careful.
美味しいけど油断すると危ないからね。楽しいお正月にするためにもほんと大事。
Osechi dishes were also originally made, so mothers could rest during the first 3 days of the new year. Nowadays, you can find luxurious and unique osechi at many different stores.
おせちね、予約してるみたいだね。私、エビと黒豆しか興味ないんだよね。
So you're only interested in shrimp and black beans? You're such a kid. Try to appreciate the tradition a little more. Laughs.
皆様、良いお年を。
Have a great new year.